G'day everyone, thanks for tuning in. We're in the mixed of trail sort of season at the moment here in Western Australia. We've got events such as the 6-inch Ultra and Half and a lot of Perth Trail Series runs coming up. So essentially the biggest increase in sales we've had of any shoe in stock is the HOKA SPEEDGOAT. So it's a really versatile shoe, particularly for those that are looking to increase the distance that they're covering on the trail. It's really well cushioned, it's reasonably versatile in providing a lot of grip and traction without sort of taking away that bit of ground feel as well. So we've had the HOKA SPEEDGOAT 3s in for the last few months and been really popular and really versatile for anyone looking to go off-road. So for anyone familiar with the HOKA range, we're sort of looking at almost like an off-road Clifton where there's a fair amount of cushioning, but it's not sort of the most cushioned model. So you still get a little bit of ground feel. It's quite light, so the amount of cushioning you're getting, it's still sitting under 300 grams for a men's, but you can sort of still see that characteristic thick midsole to provide that little bit of protection to the foot of the ankle. And if you are looking to go longer and longer, we're getting that little bit of structural protection of the elastic structures around the foot of the ankle. With the traction, we've got the Vibram outsole, so essentially built to last and really good for those sort of dusty pea gravel trails, as well as a bit of mud if it is going to get wet as well. Now, essentially we've got the SPEEDGOAT 4 just coming into stock, so fundamentally the same in terms of what you'd be using the shoes for, but a nice little difference particularly to the upper. So we've got the women's and the men's here. And essentially what they've done is they've used 3D printing to put some more what are called overlays on top of the upper. So essentially this unfortunately does add a little bit of weight, so it goes to above 300 grams for men's, but ultimately you're getting a more like secure feeling. So when you tie the laces up, they're connected to the overlays, and it's just going to mean the upper is going to feel a little bit more secure around your foot. So if we are going downhill and you're looking for that little bit of extra traction, or you're on the uneven terrain, you can just sort of increase that proprioception and feel like the shoe's working at one with your foot and the ankle. So if you are looking to go further, this is certainly a really good option to try. And if you're a fan of the HOKA Clifton in particular on the road, then this is probably the nice transition to complement the extra ruggedness of the trail. So come in and give it a try, and we're sure you'll like it. Cheers.